So now the next string, yes, see, firstly you will glue here and then you will start from after that your thread should be overlap like this. Guys, it's very easy, and even you can use your old bangles also. You will glue inside. Like this you will create your whole bangles with the help of thread. I have prepared two bangles for the designing. So this one I have created in pink color, two bangles. Okay, in my next video you will learn how you can decorate your bangles. Thank you. For this designing we need pearl chain, some stones, bangles. Today we are going to create this design. This thread bangle I have made in two colors, but in this I will create single color. Ball chain and stones. Firstly, what you have to do, you have to and after that you have to glue at the round. Now you have to take your ball chain and put it like this in shape of stone. After that you can cut it from the side. Again we have to do the same thing. This time you can use some different kind of chains. Like we have the ball chain, and this one is pearl chain, small pearl chain. Okay, It comes in basically in many sizes. Yes, like this. After that, you will cut it. Okay, and again, now you can use I'm using my golden ring stone chain. According to your needs, you can, or your design, you can arrange this type of design on your bangles. Now you can take your pearl chain again and you can make your design. I hope guys you are liking it, and again you can take your ball chain and use like this. So I have created one more bangles people like for you. See, I have used two color chain. The green thread is there, parrot green color is there, so I have used dark pearl chain. So according to you, you can make the different designs on that. So I'm going to change little bit because I have made this design. Now I am going to create some new designs here, so it would be little bit different also. So you can make half circles design on that, and you can complete your bangles. Okay, and if you wish you can just give some simple stone, you can do some stone work also. And one more bangle I have, they both have same designs. In these bangles we are going to use two designs. Okay, one is here, and now we have to create this half circle here also. After that you can see which chain you have used. You have used pearl chain. You can use your ring stone chain. Then it's totally depend on you people how you can or how you want to arrange this kind of designs. If you will use the fabric Luna, it will not remove anywhere from anywhere. You have to work little bit carefully. See. Now what you can do, you can just put I'm going to create a different design on this bangle. See. Now you can do the same design here also. again. So our bangle is ready. Like this you can create many of bangles like this. In this bangle what I have done, we have created two circle and two chains. I have joined it like this. I have used ball chain and you can download all the designs from downloadable resources, so you can create easily guys. This one I have created, and you can use, you can now you can wear it easily or in a simple way, and you can join two bangles also like this. Okay, so you can make it easily also. You can wrap it, and I'm telling you now, I'm going to tell you how you can create this type of bangles. So guys, I have created this type of bangles for the side one. This is very easy bangles. You have to just wrap the bangles and put it two stones in the same way, and you can use your ring stone, so your pair would be like this. Please guys, if you're finding any problem, then you can message or you can WhatsApp me, sorry, if you can message or you can comment. I will try my best to give you reply. I hope you all are enjoying this course. This kind of bangles you can make it very easily.